Well, there's really so many things, but I think the very biggest one is Jen has created this community of caring people who are so supportive of everybody else. I didn't want to post any of my pictures because, let's face it, I'm blind. So how good could they be? Everybody's been so supportive and it's been incredible.
She shares 100% from herself and her experience, her life experience as an artist. And so she's fully sharing that with you, that there is no one that does that.
We call this the ugly stage. Just you wait.
Her videos are a lot of fun just to watch. A lot of times I don't paint with her when she's doing them. I'll just watch it and then I'll go back after and paint them.
And her voice. And her voice is so soothing. It's like, I've watched other webinars with artists and they tell you, do this, do that, don't do this, don't do that. And Jen was just so easy and carefree about it and smiling all the time.
All right, welcome to lesson 1, the background. So we're gonna start at the top, work on our way down. I'm lightly pressing and releasing. Press, release to the right. To get that sculpted in first and then over the top, we will texture in some of the whites. Oh my goodness, my hands. This is not a very clean hobby, I will tell you.
The group is wonderful, and I didn't know what to expect, but the positivity that comes across in all the comments, when you post a picture you feel a little iffy about, and then all of a sudden you get some recommendations, or you get atta girls, or good job, or beautiful.
I had the community. Every week I was able to connect with this community and paint and learn from Jen.
Jen engages with everybody personally, whether it's on the Facebook Lives we do. People know her. It's not like taking an online class, you pay $400 and you get these 4 or 5 classes from somebody, and if you want to talk to them, you can send them an email and maybe they'll get back to you. You know, very impersonal. Hers is 100% personal. It's you know she's there on the other side.